Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I don't know what this video may be titled, but I'm just in the mood to vlog, but I don't know what to vlog or what to film specifically. So this is just gonna be like a dysfunctional vlog, whatever I title it, but spend a few days in my life, whatever I may title it. So I fixed these funfetti cake cookies, and I tried one and they're actually good. Also today for TikTok, I'm filming a what I eat in my life for TikTok. I want to do it for YouTube, but I want to like have good content that day. Well, not just good content, but today I didn't feel like filming. As you can see, I don't look I should have picked the camera up and filmed what I eat in the day, but I'll film that video another time. Summer is almost over. I go back to school next month, at the end of the month, and today is the end of the. Today's the 29th of July. Oh, also, I went to cheer practice for the first time in a few days because I just got back home, so I haven't been cheer practice. And I put my hair in this bun. And I was like, today I'm washing my hair because it's so, like, my hair is filthy. I have so much gel in my hair. I really hate slip backs because, not that I don't have any edges. I do have edges. It's just, I don't like having to, like, sometimes right here, especially, it hurts when I brush my hair back like that. So I don't like doing slip backs like that, really. But I did today. We got cheer camp coming up, so and that's like next week. So I definitely need to wash my hair before that. So you guys, I have seen this face icing on TikTok. 2, 3. I can't. Hold on. I just got out the shower. Don't mind what I look like. Don't mind my messy room. Like I said, I just got back yesterday and I haven't cleaned up. I should have done it today, but I did. And I don't have my ring light in here because it's still in the car. I haven't brought my suitcases and my luggage in. So I can't put my wax strips. I need to put, I literally just got out the shower. My face, I washed my face. And I need to put some moisturizer on it because it's drying up. And I need to put some moisturizer on my skin. But right now, I'm about to eat some ice cream.
Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my van.
Bro, please tell me why I am up at 12:06 in the morning cleaning. Like, when I stopped filming earlier, I came in my room and started cleaning up a little bit. Just a little bit. Not too much. Not tonight. But, you know how I said I wasn't going to wax my eyebrows again? Well, I got bored. And I said, let me do them. And they actually didn't turn out bad this time. Because last time, my skin was irritated. Tell you, I've been cleaning. This bag was empty. It had one hair product in it. I threw hair products that I don't use anymore. This got to be spray been empty for 2 months now, and I didn't throw it away. I need to get new got to be spray. So all this is trash. This full bucket of trash. This is trash. No, not trash. It's just on my toes. No. This box is going to the other house, like a storage. Good morning. I haven't talked to you guys. I'm about to wash my hair. But you know, I haven't washed my hair in going on 3 weeks now. Usually I wash it every 2 weeks. So I'm gonna put this Aztec clay mask in my hair. I did it once before, and I think it revived my curls. So I'm gonna do it because I only have a little bit left in this container, and I just bought a big container. I don't have apple cider vinegar, and when I mix this with water, it clumps up instead of like mixing like it's supposed to. Because it just says water or apple cider vinegar, but
Twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick, I'm all in my bag. It's harder to get. I do not store powder, I might take a sip. I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was praying like this. To act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you gain. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thanking you now. I was watching you when you was paving the ground. I copied your cadence, I mirrored your style. I studied the grace, I'm the greatest right now. Fuck if you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promo, still made all that noise. This shit gon' be different, I set my intentions. I promise to slap all that hate out your voice. Niggas been counting me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my dick. I just poured something in my cup, I've been wanting something I can feel, promise I am never letting up. Make you real. Put this on their neck, I got them stuck. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about to so I don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand, I'm dead in the middle of 2 generations. I'm little bro and big bro all at once. Just left the lab with young 21 Savage. I'm about to go and meet Jigga for lunch. Had a long talk with the young nigga Kodak. Reminded me of young niggas from Phil. Straight out the project, no faking, just honest. I wish that he had more guidance for real. Too many niggas in cycle of jail, spending their birthdays inside of a cell. We coming from a long bloodline of trauma. We raised by our mamas, Lord, we gotta heal. We hurting our sisters, the babies as well. We killing our brothers.
This was not even enough. This was not. This was enough for this side. Ugh. One way with this Aztec clay mask in my hair, it looks weird. Like my curls do not curl up like it usually does. It's probably because all the gel and stuff that's in my hair. That's why I put it in here so it can detox my hair and take out all the gel. But these cookies that I made yesterday with the cake box, they taste like the store-bought sugar cookies. That thick icing, with the thick icing on them. I'll put a picture up if I can find one. But that's exactly the cookie. That's exactly how the cookie tastes. So, I'm in Walmart shopping. I came here for hair products, makeup products, and some food, and one like electronic item for YouTube. Look at all this makeup I done got. This basket only has makeup and one hair product. I was trying to find another hair product to try out, like something I haven't tried before. But I didn't even see anything that I wanted to pick up. Like nothing caught my eye. So I'm not gonna pick anything up today. This makeup is probably like $40 in my basket right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not putting it back. I just paid for it. $40. Ooh, that's my money. Okay, I'm looking for something. They got it. I already see it. I'm definitely picking it up too. This is what I came to Walmart for. This, look. That's for YouTube. I need one. It has the ring light and the microphone. I don't see the other brand I was looking for because that one was cheaper, like just a few dollars cheaper. But they got this one. Yeah, I do not see the other one. And I'm kind of mad. Oh, I do see the other one. Here it is, but it don't have a mic. It just has two lights, and the VTAR lights don't work. I bought this before, and the light is so dull. And they had these on clearance the time I bought them. Now they got them back up here. Yeah, VTAR lights don't have a bright brightening. I don't know about the ring light, but this don't look like it's bright. I seen this in person. Somebody had it, so I know it's bright. So I'm gonna pick it up. So in the basket it goes. I'm spending a lot of money today because I should want to have the things I want. We have secured the bags. Now my funds are low, so Cash App, I'll take any day. Cash App, PayPal. I don't have Venmo. But you know, God is about to bless me. Hey guys, I just got home. Yeah, I haven't just got home. I've been here for a little bit. But I did a TikTok. I was showing a TikTok of for like content creators, go get this. And look, this is specifically just for iPhone. So you guys, I went to go eat, so I haven't been on the camera. I literally put this together and went to go eat, and then I was sitting there watching TV, and I was like, oh, I haven't even tested it out yet. So we're about to test it out. We're gonna test out the light, the microphone, the tripod. The tripod is sturdy. Like, this thing ain't going nowhere. Like, for real. It ain't going nowhere. So you guys, I got the microphone connected to my phone now. Hope it's a big difference. I feel like a true content creator now. I'm not gonna say just YouTuber. Content creator now. I want to make my own money so I can save up for some things. So I got cereal. My mom says since I'm the only one that eats this, you have to buy it yourself. So I got that. I like this product now. For right now, I like this product. It's the Aussie's Leave-In Detangling Milk. But I seen this product on social media, and it's like this curling mousse from Miele. It's like you don't have to use a gel or a curling cream if you. I got cheese crackers because I don't eat. I eat peanut butter crackers, but I don't care for no peanut butter. Oh no! I got ice cream and I didn't put it up in the deep freezer. That ice cream been out for, we got home at 8 o'clock on the dot. It's now 10:40, 11 o'clock. 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 hours. Going on 3 hours to ice cream out. Bruh. And it was hot in my room. That ice cream was melted through it. Bruh, how did I forget? I bought ice cream. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I just finished filming another YouTube video of me doing these bohemian braids on my natural hair. As you've seen, it may be on TikTok. I don't know what video may come out first. I'm thinking this one gonna come out first and then this tutorial, so just stay tuned. It's starting to dry and my curls, I added gel to the curl, but now they're just starting to, like, I don't know. Like, this side's still drying, but you see how the curls is like just not staying curly? I don't know. But I'm not feeling this middle part at all. Okay, I'm about to eat something because I haven't eaten all day. And I need to take a bath before my mama gets back from work. I ain't going to town today. I was, but no, I'm not going today with her.